All right, welcome back, everybody. Yep, I'm pretty sure you already know the forecast today. It's another hot, hazy, humid day today, but as far as chances of showers and thunderstorms go, there's only that small chance. I think most of us will stay sunny and, once again, very hot. Okay, 96 degrees by the time we get towards 2. We'll go at 97 degrees here in the Scenic City. Most of us between the mid and the upper 90s. Maybe a degree or two cooler than what it was yesterday. And once again, we're looking at those heat index values at that 100 to 105 degrees this afternoon. We're not breaking any records here, but we do have those heat advisories. So if you are going to be out and about this afternoon, we're tough here in the south, but just, do play it easy and make sure you do drink plenty of water. You heard those coaches earlier on the show talking about keeping those kids hydrated. Well, parents, we got to do the same thing as well. So just be careful as you're out and about. As far as any severe weather goes, the entire viewing area is under what is called a marginal risk. That is that lowest category. Because we've got enough heat, we've got enough energy, we just don't have that spark. But if one or two storms do manage to pop up this afternoon, there is that small chance that one or two could have some strong winds and some, vivid lightning. Same thing for tomorrow, but I think there's a little disturbance coming in tomorrow. We have a marginal risk for your Sunday as well, but that disturbance coming in tomorrow has at least a better chance of helping to ignite showers and thunderstorms. Now, models are a little different when it comes to today. As maybe you've been watching the last couple of weeks, I always like to show kind of that worst case scenario. And that's what this future track is showing. Here's what I mean. Here's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and you see that one dot right there. I'm not saying it's going to rain on top of Ringgold here this afternoon, but there's a chance of an isolated shower or rumble. But also watching some showers and storms to the north of us. Here's 7, 8 o'clock, and we'll see if some of these drop in here this evening. Really, this is about the only model that suggests that, so I've kind of got my doubts. But we'll watch the radar. But tomorrow, another disturbance starts to come in here from the west, and scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to develop during the middle of the day tomorrow and into tomorrow afternoon. Many of us will look at this as some heat busters, but one or two of these storms could have some gusty winds and the possibility of, again, some lightning out there. And then we get into Monday, and we've got kind of a frontal boundary that's sitting on top of us, giving us a chance of more scattered showers Monday, maybe even Monday morning and into the afternoon hours. And we could pretty much say the same as we head into your Tuesday. So things are beginning to change. We are starting to see this pattern finally breaking down. This very hot, dry weather will start to go away. And there's also something else that we're watching. Well, we have a tropical storm out there right now. This is Franklin. Franklin, he's going to continue to move off towards the north and then take a little bend towards the north and towards the northeast. So that's the only named storm we have out there right now. But there's another disturbance that could develop into the Gulf of Mexico going into next week. Likely staying just to the south of us, but we'll watch it. But as that storm passes by, it could pull in some drier air as we get into the middle and end of next week. I need to drop that heat index there, but nevertheless, you can see 97 degrees today, around 90 tomorrow, and then you see temperatures falling back into the mid 80s as we head towards next week. And I'll talk a little bit more about that tropical system coming up in the second half hour. No immediate threat, but you can see those 80s. And like I said, I need to drop that heat index out of there. We got to get rid of that. I'm tired of looking at it.
Can we get rid of that 97? Is that possible for today?
I cannot get rid of that today, unfortunately.
All right, so we're just going to have to deal with it for now.
It is. One more big day.
All right, thanks, Brian.